Few people stop and think about what it takes to put a glass of milk on the table. But the dairyman knows. The story of the dairyman is one of long days, sunrise to sunset. It's a story of never-ending chores and hard work. At Paul Mueller Company, we're proud to be a part of the dairyman's story, and that for dairy farmers across the world, there's only one name when it comes to milk cooling systems. The year was 1940. In the heart of the American Midwest, two determined entrepreneurs joined forces to found Mann and Mueller Heating and Sheet Metal Works in Springfield, Missouri. While Gordon Mann handled fabrication, Paul Mueller went house to house, door to door, to see if anyone needed anything, from furnaces to furniture repaired. In 1943, Mueller purchased Mann's share of the business and changed the name to Paul Mueller Company. And as the times changed and the company grew, so did Mueller's product lines. In 1955, Paul Mueller Company introduced their first line of milk coolers. When workers stamped the Mueller name on those first coolers, they had no idea the impact they would make on the global dairy industry. But Paul Mueller was very aware that his name was on every one and demanded the highest standards from all employees and products. Over the years, Paul Mueller Company stayed at the industry forefront by pioneering milk cooling systems with the dairy producer's bottom line in mind. In 1987, the company acquired an additional 200,000 square feet of manufacturing facilities in Osceola, Iowa, and moved the production of dairy farm equipment to this new facility. Today, Paul Mueller Company boasts more than 72,000 milk coolers in 125 countries. Our products are distributed through a network of loyal dealers, many of which have proudly held their certified dealership for decades. And Mueller dealers confidently know that when they sell a piece of Mueller dairy farm equipment, they are selling a product that is time-tested and built to last. At Paul Mueller, we don't try to be all things to the dairyman. What we do is specialize in one thing: producing the highest quality, state-of-the-art milk cooling and storage systems. And we do it very well. At the heart of our business is people power, from the engineers who design our products to the skilled manpower that brings them to life.
We take a lot of pride in supplying the dairyman with a great product.
Well, I believe Mueller's one of the best products out there, and the people that build them strive to put 100% of their best effort into it.
I think everybody, when they go home at the end of the day, feels like they've actually accomplished something. When you're at the end of a product, then you see the finished work, it just makes you feel good.
You see, when you walk through the doors of Mueller's manufacturing facility, you won't find an automated assembly line. You will find real American craftsmen who take our 60-year legacy of quality craftsmanship very seriously. Their Midwestern work ethic and constant attention to detail creates a product second to none. Couple that old-fashioned sweat equity with the newest computer technology and innovative engineering, and you'll understand why Mueller is known worldwide as the milk cooling systems specialist.
To get the quality that you get from Mueller's, you don't just get it by automation. It's the individual putting his talents into that product.
We've actually had dairy farmers that have come in that have inherited their farms from their families and had Mueller tanks and wouldn't have anything but because of the quality. It's just good to see them keep coming back, and there's a reason why.
Our milk cooling systems are designed to make the dairyman's job a little easier, his profits a little larger, and his product a little better. While a dairy farmer's work may never be done, Mueller is here to make sure that hard work pays off. In fact, maybe one of the reasons Mueller has stood the test of time is because we haven't stood still. We understand the dairy industry, and we're constantly looking for ways to improve profitability for the dairy producer by aggressively utilizing the latest technologies in the design, engineering, and fabrication of our products.
To be competitive, you've got to have a standard that's second to none.
Yeah, we do put out a great product, but being number one does not afford you the right to be complacent. We always want to innovate and look for new ways to do things.
It's a continuous learning process to try and improve. You're not past improvement, no matter how long you've worked.
The cornerstone of the Mueller product line is our polished stainless steel milk coolers, the standard by which the competition is judged. Available in sizes from 300 to 8,000 gallons, our dependable tanks can meet the needs of the smallest family-owned dairies to the largest commercial operations. Mueller's exclusive temp plate heat transfer surface provides maximum cooling power at the lowest energy costs, and double wall construction ensures precise temperature control. For the smartest solution to manage your cooler's daily functions, Mueller's original handcrafted control panels offer peace of mind and stress-free operation. The Sentry is the industry's most advanced control system and can be programmed for exact cycle lengths for cooling, blending, and cleaning. The High-Perform is designed to retrofit almost any cooler control on the market and even works with robotic milking machines. Working in tandem with our coolers, the Mueller E-Star High-Perform refrigeration units are the most energy-efficient and cost-effective dairy refrigeration systems in the world. Mueller doesn't just use off-the-shelf condensing units. Our refrigeration systems are specifically designed to handle the large temperature changes required to cool milk. Instead of using an air conditioning compressor that's been adapted for the dairy industry, Mueller's proprietary technology features a true refrigeration compressor with digital scroll technology. Whether it's for feeding calves or cleaning the barn, dairies need hot water. The Mueller Free Heater allows dairies to recover the heat that's wasted during the milk cooling process and use it to make free hot water for the dairy. Incorporating a free heater into your milk cooling system drastically reduces energy costs, thus increasing profitability. Because we understand that every dollar saved on energy goes to the bottom line of the dairy, Mueller introduced the AccuTherm Plate Heat Exchanger. The AccuTherm allows dairies to use their existing well or tap water to pre-cool warm milk before it goes into your Mueller cooler. The AccuTherm cuts the operation time of your refrigeration system up to 50%, saving energy as well as enhancing milk quality. At Mueller, we appreciate that large dairy operations have special needs. Incorporating a Mueller chiller into your operation allows chilled water to pump through your plate cooler for rapid cooling of warm milk. Mueller offers multiple chiller models, allowing flexibility for varying herd sizes. Also, for the larger dairies, Mueller produces durable horizontal and vertical silos. With sizes up to 30,000 gallons, dairymen can rest assured they have the ultimate in product protection for milk storage. At Paul Mueller Company, we know that making a quality product is just the start of a lifelong relationship. Our world-class customer service and support is what truly sets us apart. When a dairyman purchases a piece of Mueller dairy farm equipment, they gain a team of Mueller experts working for their dairy. Our service starts with our dealer technicians who are on site at dairy farms every day. To guarantee they offer an incomparable level of skill and product knowledge, our dairy farm equipment service team conducts training for our certified dealer technicians throughout the year at our company headquarters in Springfield, Missouri. These technicians are the front line for customer service, so constant education ensures their expertise on all of our products, from our newest offerings to Mueller's time-tested legacy equipment. And when our dealer technicians need additional support, Mueller is here. Having live Mueller experts available to take their calls ensures rapid response for our dairymen, and that direct line of communication allows us to hear the needs and wants of the dairy farmer too, and shapes the development and improvement of our products.
It is cool that you have a company that is always looking towards the next year rather than the present, and they're always focused on what's going to be the edge to have for the next product.
At Mueller, we take our proven reputation as the milk cooling systems specialist to heart. It's a big responsibility to be the industry leader, and we believe in investing in the future generation of dairymen. By partnering with college agriculture programs, we're making sure their students have the opportunity to learn on the best equipment in the industry. While Paul Mueller Company has grown from a small-scale fabricator to a global powerhouse in the dairy industry, we still maintain the company values and integrity that were so important to our founder more than 6 decades ago.
You think about the product you ship out the door, because ultimately, when you go to the supermarket, you're going to get some of that product back.
There's definitely a partnership between us and the dairy farmers. We care just as much about the product that they're putting out as they do, and we take as much pride as they do. It really shows in our product, it really shows.
From the masters of metal who make our products, to the team that services our dealers around the globe, and the dependable technicians who take care of our dairymen, rain or shine, you can count on Mueller for accuracy. You can count on Mueller for reliability. And you can count on Mueller for profit. The Paul Mueller Company, your milk cooling systems specialists.